'cause this roller coaster reaches here and stop the coasting. Used to be fine with no destination.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing another wig install. I'm going to show you guys how I install this wig, what products I like to use when it comes to deep wavy / curly hair, how to keep the curls defined, just really tips and tricks on maintaining just really curly or wavy hair. So the hair that I'll be installing is from SOWIGS hair. They sent me their 13x4 deep wave wig. The wig density is 130 and 20 inches. So what I did when I received the hair was I bleached the knots. I let the bleach sit on the hair for about 15 minutes and then I rinsed it out and I washed the lace with my Shimmer Light shampoo just to get rid of the brassiness. Then after that, I just co-washed the hair, made my middle part, hot combed the hair, and here we are. I don't know what kind of lace this is, but it's very transparent. But on the inside of the wig, you just have the adjustable strap and then you have these wig combs that I hate. So I'm gonna take them out eventually, just not right now. After bleaching the knots, I did go in and added some of my makeup, my Revolution Beauty bronzer, so that it can just melt into my hairline, or my skin I should say. I'm not sure if you guys can tell that I over bleached this hair. On my viewfinder it looks good, so hopefully it looks good when I rewatch this video. This is the natural color of the hair. I did not dye it jet black. This hair is really dark. I love super dark hair and I didn't have to dye it. I do have some of the hair pinned back and then I just have this hair out. I'm probably gonna pluck it some more and cut it and just make it look really cute. Make the baby hairs look really nice. I'm gonna cut off all of this extra lace before I actually glue it down. Got rid of some of that extra lace, so I don't have that much to cut. So if you guys watched one of my last videos, I did say that I'm trying to switch to glueless wigs. When it comes to curly hair, any type of kinky curly hair, I always glue it down because I'm always scared that it's gonna get caught on something and it's gonna get snatched off. I think it's possible to do a glueless wig with this wig as well. But especially if you're going on vacation, I wouldn't take that chance. I would just glue it down, just my opinion on that. To glue down this wig, I'm using my Ghost Bond lace glue. I got a new bottle, so it's super clean. Normally my glue bottles are very dirty. They always have makeup on them because I get makeup on everything. I'm putting the glue in front of my hairline. And I honestly am getting a little bit on my hairline, but I'm trying to focus mainly in front of my hairline. I like to get really close to my hairline before adding more glue because I don't like my wigs to hide my forehead. I just want it to look very natural. When I first started wearing frontal wigs, I used to like them close to my eyebrows because I hated my forehead. But now I actually like my forehead and I just don't want to hide it anymore. I'm gonna add some more glue to the lace right here around my ears, but first I'm gonna just tie it down for a little bit so that the lace can stay in place and not lift up. And then I'll just add more glue to the sides. I cut off the extra lace and I glued down my sides. So y'all, the lace is looking very ashy. I should have added more makeup. I feel like every time I do a wig install, I have to show you guys how I finesse my wigs because I am not a hairstylist, but I'm gonna show you guys how to fix an ashy frontal because I hate this. I don't like this cast. It looks very, very unnatural. Next, I'm gonna do the baby hairs before I fix the lace. I'm just parting some of this hair away from the rest of the hair. Right now my frontal looks like a dried scalp that needs some oil. These are how my baby hairs look. I think I did a pretty good job. pretty decent job. I need to get rid of that glue, but I'm gonna show you guys how I get rid of the ashiness on the frontal. The only thing I do is take my Gots to Be spray and I spray it on the lace. So every time I use the Gots to Be spray, it makes my lace darker. I'm not sure if this happens to y'all, but whenever my lace is too light, I just go in with this spray and it just fixes the problem. Before I spray this on my lace, I'm actually gonna fix my part. So I did over bleach the knots like I was telling you guys. So I am gonna fill it in with black eyeshadow, and I'm also just gonna make the line sharper, probably with concealer or my MAC lip pencil. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna get my rat tail comb, just gonna put it in the middle. I can't really see what I'm doing, but hopefully it comes out well. And I'm just taking some black eyeshadow to fill it in. I'm sure there's a better method when it comes to this, but I just like to use what I already have at home. So that's why I'm using black eyeshadow. I'm taking my MAC lip pencil and I'm just gonna draw a line going back. Since this part right here is already wide, I'm actually gonna start like right here so it blends in with the front. That looks much better. So I'm gonna go in with my Gots to Be and just spray down the lace to get rid of that lightness. I'm just gonna take my scarf again and wrap my hair. Really just lay down the frontal and let the Gots to Be glue dry down. And then I'll do the rest of this wig. It's been like 5 minutes, but I think that's good enough. So I'm just gonna take this off. That looks much better. Baby hairs are a little messed up. Let me see. All right. My lace looks so much better. I'm gonna show you guys what I do to get the wet hair look, just to make this curly hair more defined, not so frizzy. So the first thing I do is go section by section. So I'm gonna start off in the back. Now I'm gonna put the rest of the hair up. First I take my mist bottle with water and I just drench the hair until it's dripping wet. After I wet the hair, I go in with some mousse. So this is a curl enhancing mousse by Design Essentials. And I just do a good amount of that, maybe like 2 or 3 pumps. And I just like to really coat the hair. Then I'll just take my brush and just brush it through. After I brush it through, I just let it air dry, and that's what I'm gonna do to the rest of the wig. So I'll just let you guys watch. I am done drenching my hair in that foam and water. what I'm gonna do next is just add some foam to the top. I did hot comb the top already, so that's why I didn't spray water on the top, because I don't want it to be wavy again. For the top, I'm gonna use this foam. This is the Nairobi foam. I don't love this foam just because it takes a while for the foam to come out. Normally it's very liquidy. See, it's really liquidy until probably after the, I don't know, maybe after the 10th pump, that's when it starts to foam, and I don't like that. I don't like how runny it is because I just feel like I'm wasting it. I personally like the sleek back wet look, so I'm just gonna put this, wow, this foam is so runny. I'm just gonna put it in my hand first, and I'm just putting it on top and of course on the sides as well. So I did put a lot of foam in my hair, y'all, but it does not get hard or crunchy. That's one reason why I like to use the foam by Design Essentials, because it still makes your hair really soft. But so far, I do like this hair because it's new, it's fresh. Of course, it's not tangly or it's not shedding because it's still pretty new. Do you guys want me to do an updated video on this wig? Let me know. I don't have a lot of wigs, so I can definitely do updated videos and just tell you guys the pros and cons. This hair is about 85% dry, but this is how it looks. Really pretty, not super full. What I did was I took my big comb and I just started from the ends and just combed it through just to make this hair look a little fuller. This is the perfect vacation wig. I will have all of the details about this hair in my description box, so don't forget to check that out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, y'all.